G'day guys, welcome back. Too many projects, not enough time. I'm Andrew. Here we are, out camping with Patience the 101. And our first camping little expedition here in the backyard of a friend's place. And bit of a shakedown to see what we have and what we don't have and what we need and what we don't need. So I guess we've pretty much got the kitchen all set up. Let's show you how all that works and the bed. And then we're going to set up the little camp stove that I made that was on my other channel, Camp Tinny. We're going to set that up and cook a little dinner. Alright, let me take you for a little walk through here. Let me bring you a little closer. Alrighty guys, kitchen! Chopping board! Alright, that's pretty neat if you ask me. It's a little high, but it's okay for me because I'm tall. But we do have a step stool here, which is how we get into the back of the 101. Cups and plates, cooking spoons and flip floppers and stuff, spices and coffee. And this one here I can't see him without the step stool, but oh, what do we have here? We have some Koala farts. This is the Koala farts dishwashing soap. I've lost the brush. Get your little dish towel, wipe it in your soap, clean your dishes. Saves you having a big tub full of dishwashing liquid and water. You just have a small tub full of water and whoop, wash your dishes, tip it all out at the end. The koalafarts.com Eucalyptus company dishwashing. And if you want some of these, subscribe, hit the like button and comment down below, and we're going to pick someone from every video to send one of our products out to in the mail anywhere in the world. Well, almost anywhere, everywhere we can send in the world. So subscribe, like, comment, and we'll randomly pick someone. Let's say a week after the video comes out, we'll randomly pick someone. We'll announce it in the next video who the winner is, and we'll send you one of our koalafart.com Eucalyptus company products right out to you guys. So go and check koalafarts.com out, and surprisingly our customers always come back and go, holy crap, it actually works. So alright, let's take a look at the bed. Alrighty guys, so hopping up into Patience the 101. Coming in the back here, you're up the steps, you step into the back, climb up into that cozy bed, couple of pillows, nice lush mattress, sleeping bag which acts as a duvet, spare tire, water jugs. These are brilliant. They're little stainless steel kegs. They hold about a gallon of water or 4 liters of water, 5 liters of water maybe. They're brilliant. Got the Yeti cooler. And the gas stove, which we may or may not use to cook on tonight. We might use it because we haven't used it yet on the barbecue. We are going to set the barbecue up, which is mounted in the spare tire. Alright, so coming around this side we have this open storage area here. I do have a couple of plastic baskets coming that will fit nicely in here, and we'll keep all the dry goods and all the dry food in these. Then we have these big plastic boxes. This one will have all our bedding and pillows and so forth in it so they don't get muddy and dirty on the trail. And then we're just going to look through. On the other side we have two more of those boxes, but half versions of this big one. One of them is going to be recovery gear and breakdown stuff. Yeah, Land Rover breakdown. That'll never happen. And the other box, I'm not really sure what's going to go in the other box, but we'll find something. There's always a need for more storage. So, we also have ourselves a couple of camp chairs, table, oh, and let's not look on the table. And here's the front box, and looks like the paper towels will go nice there. Alright, and we will get set up and get the barbecue set up. Fire like at Christmas time. Well guys, here we are, snuggled up in the back of the 101 for the first night camp out, and I guess we'll see you in the morning. Night guys. Well, g'day guys, good morning. Well, actually it's about a week later. I actually woke up the next morning with a really bad tummy bug. Wasn't pretty, and it was also pouring down rain. So we packed up and I just went home. And here we are a week later. I'm just doing the video up now, doing my outro. There's the lake in the background. We're up at Camp Tinny, and the lake is still frozen, probably at least a foot thick still. It is moving around a bit and melting fast. We had a 18 degree Celsius, I'm not sure what that is in Fahrenheit, but 18 degrees Celsius day to day, so quite warm for up here, and the lake is melting. It's good to see. And pretty much all the snow is gone around as well. There's still some patches in the shade, but basically snow is gone. Spring is here. Alright guys, so thanks for coming along. Thanks for watching this video for the first camp out in the 101. And remember, like, subscribe, comment below. Check out koalafarts.com. See what product, if you win, you would like me to send you. And we'll see you on the next video. Alright guys, take it easy. Thanks. Bye.